Jai Hind everyone. In today's video we will see the change in words expressing nearness, time and auxiliaries etc. in reported speech. Okay. So these are the few words that I have written. How we will change it to indirect speech. This all will be in direct speech and we will change it to indirect speech. So this will change to that, these will change to those, now will change to then, here will change to there, today will change to that day, tomorrow will change to the next day, yesterday will change to the previous day, last night will change to the previous night, can will change to could, may to might, shall to should, will to would, ago to before, just to then, come to go, and thus will change to so. Okay. Now we will see the change in tenses. How we will change the tenses. We will see a set of rules for change in tenses in reported speech. Okay. Now we will see the rules for change in tenses. So let's see the first rule for this. So the first rule is if the reporting verb is in present or future tense. Reporting verb is in present or future tense, then the tense of the reported speech, will not change. Okay, now I'll give you the example for this, in which I will tell you what is the reporting verb and what is the reported speech. Reported speech is actually the speech told by the speaker, the exact words that is quoted. Okay, so that is reported speech, and reporting verb is if it is attached with the subject. So if the subject is he said, okay, so the reporting verb here is said. So this is in past tense. This is reporting verb and the quoted words are called reported speech. Now I will give you the example for the first rule. Okay, we will see now for present tense. If the reporting verb is in present tense. This is the first example. Now let's see for direct speech. Satish says. So says is in present tense. Satish says, I am flying a kite. Okay, so in the indirect speech, the tense of the reported speech. So the reported speech here is this one. Okay, this is reported speech. And this is reporting verb. Okay. So the tense of the reporting speech, here the tense is I am flying. I am flying is present continuous tense. So this will not change. It will be present continuous tense only. So how we will change it to indirect speech? Satish says that he is flying. Is flying is also present continuous tense. He is flying a kite. Now we will see the second example for future tense. If the reporting verb is in future tense. So see the direct sentence. Satish will say. So will say is future tense. Satish will say, I want a glass of milk. So how we will change it to indirect speech? There will be no change in the reported speech tense. Okay, so here want is used. So want is simple present tense. Okay. Okay, so how we will change it to indirect speech? Satish will say that. Satish will say that he wants a glass of. So here also wants is not at all changing. It is simple present tense only. So this the first rule is, if the reporting verb is in present or future tense, then the tense of the reported speech will not change. Now we will see the next rule for change in tenses. So the next rule we will see in the next video, because we are short in time. Okay, so today we will end here. Till then, children, study well and Jai Hind.